So this is the board programmed with the bitstream from Lab 3, which is basically has it set up so that these first first three switches correspond to A, B, and C as the inputs within the program, and then these first four LEDs also from left to right correspond to outputs O1 through O4. And basically the way that I went about confirming that this is all working correctly is I just came over here and went through the actual truth tables for the four different outputs, uh, and I went through, you can see, I went through and determined all four of these just for all values of A, B, and C, determining which what outputs we would get for each of those. And I also came and made sure that in simulation within Vivado, the values of these O1 through O4 all matched what I had for the truth table, and they indeed did. So now we can bring it over to the board and see that as I start cycling through the values, so for 0, 0, 0, we end up with just that leftmost value. For 1, the next one. For 2, end up with just the first. For 3, we end up with these two. 4 will give us those last two. 5 will give us the first and third. And then 6 will give us just that last value. And finally 7 will give us all 4. And that matches over here with the truth table. You see we have all 4 on this last column, or that last row rather. And that's about it. So we've got it all working just as it should.